Hello, Mitch. Hello, Mitch.
Hello.
Hello, champ.
Oi, oi.
What's up, guys? Today we are leaving for EDC, and I'm gonna finish packing up, and then we're gonna head out to see my boys, and then yeah, it's gonna be epic and chill. So, all right.
Yeah, and don't give me your money, I'ma take it.
Hey! Chill! Hey! 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 Jesus. Yeah. Holy frick. What's up, brother? Go, go. Yo, go, go. Go, go.
What's up, Skull?
Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello, doggies. Hey, Coco. Hi, Cocos. Hello, puppy. Hello. I bet you're gonna smell my doggy on me.
Talking.
Yeah, we have to wait for Michael to get here still.
Yeah, that's chilling. It's chilling, man. Hello, Coco. Should I? Okay. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Bobo, sono getting.
You sound like the fucking stop guy.
Yeah. Hey, you already know white people gotta slap the bag.
Gotta slap it, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, bro, it's way bigger than I expected.
Wait, have you been here before?
Nah, I mean, I've seen it from the outside, but like,
Pretty nice, huh?
being in the inside hits different. Dude, what's good? How have you been, bro?
Good, man. Ready for this crazy ass weekend?
Hell yeah, dog. You already know, dude, I've been waiting for 2 years, so. Damn, Zaddy, you're getting everything for me. It's like getting the groceries in one trip. You chill?
Go.
On Jose himself. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hey, I like your I have those shoes, bro. They're hella fire.
Just got it.
That's good right there. Alright, just do like 2.
Then squats?
Yeah.
Saying that.
What's up, brother?
Good, man.
What's good, man?
EDC about to be crazy.
Yo, it's about to be lit.
Nope.
Only water.
Water.
Bedtime, 11:30 p.m.
Maybe even 10.
Even 10, extra credit.
If I see a girl next to me,
Good morning, guys. We are in Barstow. We stopped here overnight as like a halfway point. We're gonna head out to Vegas tomorrow or today after we eat breakfast. We should get there in about 2-3 hours. So right now I'm looking for my grill. Hey Carlos, what side is the grill on?
it was on the front. In the front, like right where you're at.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Am I tripping? Where? You sleep chilling?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I just heard noises at night. I was like kind of tripping out. I don't know where it was coming from.
Dude, that's like the one thing when you camp
and shit, even tenting, you always hear like the strangest noises, like someone's about to stab your ass. It's not easy.
Definitely gonna need earplugs.
Yeah. It's looking good. Flip them a little bit.
Yeah, we should flip them.
Yo, my boy Chris went crazy out here, man.
You know how to do it to him. We got the eggs over medium. Got the red potatoes.
Got a lead on Jade. I'm not kidding, bro. You'll never believe this.
Wait, what is this?
Nah. No. Oh, hear me out.
Oh, dude, I have to blur this for the camera, bro.
A message.
No way. Read
Love
it.
to dress up, suck, fucking have my ass.
No.
If you want to join me, leave message here, and I know when we can meet up and have fun. Love, Jade.
Hey, you need my phone? What a great trip already.
Haven't seen her since our summer.
My boy about to get some dick.
Where the like so much was out here down bad. Carlos, you see the love letter I found?
What? No.
It's like it's like on the back of like some like lingerie little set.
Oh.
So it's like, hey, this is Jade. I like getting fucked in the ass and sucking. So if you're down, like meet me at this place at this like right here. Let me know.
Oh my God, stop.
Need that. You probably left it on someone's car, you know, or something like that.
Jade? Okay, Jade.
I knew she was grimy. So we got yogurt in here. It's not Chobani, bro.
Chobani? Yo, new bed.
Wait,
Alright, bet. Cool. Or like a good amount of like a Skid Row 2 shots.
Like a Skid Row 2 shots, bro. This shit is definitely not gonna be good.
I bet it will, dude. That's a pretty sweet drink.
That's the point.
Let's see. Let's see.
Put more in here, bro. More?
No, let me try this.
Wow, you don't taste any in there.
Put a lot.
I don't taste shit.
You don't taste.
I don't taste shit, dude. Dude.
Wait, what? God, no, we need more. What? I thought you were capping.
53.
You know how we had to do them to Tanner. We got the pizza sauce and the jalapeno cheese.
Oh my lord.
Let's go.
God damn.
Excuse me, no recording. Excuse me.
Cannot do that. How's it going?
Okay.
Just have your IDs and your vaccine passports.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
So we search, and whoever's marking windows, once our guards exit their vehicles, they unload back in before they drive off. Face that window. This one?
Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
You guys all have to get your camping wristbands over there when they fix your ticket.
Okay.
And they'll check your COVID vaccinations and your IDs over there.
Cool, thank you. Damn, bro, the whip just looks way too fresh.
And you're gonna go all the way down to where those two guys that are not doing nothing.
Oh, over there?
And when you get there, you say Alex and Eric. Mike said get busy.
Hey.
Alex and Eric. All right.
Oh, Alex? Eric? You Eric?
Eric.
Eric, you need to get to work, man. Mike told me to.
Yeah, Mike's running his mouth.
Yeah. Yep. Yo. Yeah. Just tell them. Do you tell them how to do it? All they have to do is hop on the AWIA. If you click it, it'll boot me off. And which it sounds like bummy, but like I don't care. Like you guys can take it whenever. Yeah. Yo.
Yeah.
Everything I'm perceiving right now is not real life.
Right?
Yeah,
like,
it's not real. Listen, let's just accept it.
We need to get lights. Alright, be dark.
And here, look, like I literally told her, like for him, hey, no, he put in the center. Oh, hey, he's tall as f.
Alright, we good though.
Yo, I'm good. What's up?
You want me? I see you looking. Don't you want me? I see you looking. Don't you want me? I see you looking. Answer me. Don't you want me? I see you looking.
It is officially day 1 of EDC. Super excited to see the main arena tonight, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So. Yo, Chris, what's good?
We out here, you know how we do.
We out here.
Like on Shaq, see the shots that I took. Wet like on Lizzie.
Alright, boys.
We out.
We are out.
Remind me that my ID is in my back pocket.
Okay. Boomer.
I just know I'm gonna be at the gate like.
Whatever you say, Boomer.
Tell you about that real. About that real. Tell you about that real.
Just a little bit of water, yeah.
Just got in your pocket. You ain't got nothing in your pocket.
Honestly, I don't have anything actually.
I already see it. You good?
You good? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Cheers to day 2.
Successful day 2.
Thank you, sir.
Back on deck.
Chris is chefing up right now. God bless the chef.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what's good, Michael? How was last night, brother?
Crazy. Fire.
Check this out. Check this out. Get a little bit of cheese, shredded cheese. That's all, baby.
Hey.
Let's go.
I like the form.
Hell yeah.
EDC night 3, boy. How you feeling?
That's all feeling. How you feeling?
Lit.
Who said big sound can't come again? Come again. Come again.
Hey, chill, Michael. I guess we lost him.
Not the only. Go ahead, shake the cake to the board and make that baby give light to the lonely.
Peace out, guys. See you in the morning.
Ready to see some poo-poos?
See some poop, bro.
Hey.
See this big old dookie.
Big, dude, I'm gonna put it right here. Poo-poo headquarters. You got it?
It's a little tight.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, dude.
Y'all ready for this? Oh no, dude.
The video's a lot more interesting now.
Yeah. Oh. I already smell that shit.
It smells like chicken. Fucking La Bodega. Well, guys, we are back. That pretty much summarizes EDC 2021. It was a great trip. Appreciate my boy Carlos driving. Appreciate my boys Chris and Michael for just being real ones. It was a solid trip for sure. I'm gonna go home, unpack, and get some sleep. Should be good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace out.